We are going to learn the basics of simple data types, variables. What is a variable? A variable is a label for a value you want to use in our program. What are the rules for naming a variable? Variable names in Python follow two main rules. Variable name must contain only letters, underscores, and numbers. Variable name must start with a letter or underscore. Good variable names are short but descriptive. Let's take a look at the below variables in the Python shell. In Python shell, the variable first name assigned the string value Albert, last name assigned to a string value Einstein, and there is a variable username assigned the value Einsteina, and there is one more variable age value 42 assigned. So next print the variables and the results will be displayed on the screen. A variable can hold a small piece of information or it can hold many gigabytes of data.